Hi guys, as you can see, I have this used oil, piece of ginger, and this lemon. Welcome to our channel Bucky's Touch, where we share all our DIYs, and I'm Bucky. So today I'll be cleaning this oil. Let's see what happens. Stay tuned for more. So this is the pot that I'm gonna use, and we will start by straining the oil into the pot just to remove all those particles at the bottom. So you can strain the oil after the whole process, but I've chosen to strain it before. Cut the ginger into small pieces. This is it. Yeah, look at how it's looking. So let's get it into the pot, and then we'll do the same to the lemon. We're going to cut it into small pieces, remove all the seeds, and also into the pot. So guys, I'm gonna try this and see if this really works. I mean, I've watched a lot of videos on YouTube showing how the oil gets clearer and also smells better. As you fry different things, it picks up the scents from whatever you fried in it. So I'm really curious to see what happens. So please just keep watching. I'm going to give really an honest review about this thing, if it really works, because mostly what I do is after some time I just throw away this oil. I just pour it out. So we're done. Our stove is lit. Now it's time to put this pot on the stove and let's see the magic happen. The used oil is coconut oil, and it's normally frothy at the top when you fry with it. So we can see it even boiling away, and the lemons are turning brown. So I believe it's ready. We'll turn off the stove and then allow it to cool, and then we'll strain it after. So our coconut oil is ready. It's cool, so ready for straining. I mean, it's smelling all right, but I think it could smell a little better. And I'm not impressed with the color at all. So I'm gonna try to add some more lemons. I'm experimenting, so why not? I'm gonna add some more lemons and maybe add even the cornstarch and water and see if the color will turn lighter. Yeah. So this is the same oil, and I've already cut my lemon and deseeded it. I've also decided to add this piece of ginger in it. So this is my half cup of water mixed with 4 tablespoons of cornstarch, and this is the pot I'm going to use, the same pot. So I'm gonna pour the oil in the pot. I'm going to add the lemons, the ginger, and then the cornstarch mixture, and let's see if this is gonna make the oil lighter. So everything is in the pot, our stove is lit, and let's see if this magic is gonna work. Oh, I have to add the cornstarch. So we're gonna pour the cornstarch, and I'm keeping my fingers crossed. I hope this time it's gonna work. Yeah, and we're gonna do some stirring as I've seen in the videos. Let's stir until the oil boils and the lemons turn brown. You see the froth at the top. The lemons are looking brown, so it's time to turn off our stove and let's strain. Yeah, but as it's straining, I'm not seeing any changes in this oil. So I don't know what I've missed out. Please advise me in the comment section, because I really want to make this oil turn a little lighter. So thank you guys for watching. Look at this result, not satisfactory at all. Thank you for subscribing, and please do subscribe. Hit the notification bell for more videos, like and share. Goodbye.